Guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on HTML. So it is part 8. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about the empty tags. We have seen the tags with the content. We have seen the tags with the content in between. But we have also tags that doesn't have the content. Those tags are those elements. We are calling it as the empty elements or empty tags. HTML elements with no content. HTML elements with no content are called empty tags. HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. In general, we are calling the starting element and ending element, sorry, the starting tag and ending tag that is in use, that is what we call whole as an element, right? So we have the empty element as well, empty HTML elements. So it doesn't have any of the content. So for example, it is br tag or br element. Br element is an empty element without a closing tag. Br element is an empty element without a closing tag. What does it do? Br tag. The br tag defines a line break. Why don't we just write an HTML page describing the br tag? I'm creating a new folder here. So you need to click anywhere in the blank space here, Explorer. Otherwise, it will be creating folder inside folder. So that I don't want that. Click anywhere in the blank space, and now you can click a new folder. It will be creating in the root. So empty HTML elements. Expanding this node and creating a file in that folder called empty element.html. So here we do have the HTML tag. We know that this is the element that describes the entire HTML document, and here we have the body. Both got starting tag and ending tag. Both of these elements are having the starting tag and ending tag, and here paragraph element. So what I'm going to do is I'll just write some content here. This is a, then we are making use of the line break here, here tag. This is a paragraph with line break. Okay, that's it. Save. So we are getting the nice formatting here from the extensions that we have installed. That is fine. Now here we are having this p element, paragraph element. Inside that we have nested. br element. This is the nested element, br element. And you can observe here there is no ending tag for this tag or for this element. There is no ending tag for this br element. How we are closing that is by just using the forward slash. And in html5 it doesn't matter if you don't close it, if you don't include like this also, it is fine. But in VS Code, by using the auto IntelliSense code completion, while you are saving this, automatically it will be including the forward slash. So it means it is closing, right? This element it is closing here, or this tag is closing. So you can observe here there is no content here. Why there is no content? In the sense it is closing in the tag itself. It is closing in the tag where it is started, right? So first we are writing the br, then we are closing it with a forward slash. So there is no content. There is no content. Then what is the purpose of this br element? So we are just using it to get the line break. Okay, we are just using it to get the line break. So why don't we just render it in the browser? Control Shift P, and you can select browser preview, open active file in preview. Select that, and the embedded browser will be opening. So try once again. Control Shift P. As you can see here, we are getting a line break after this sentence. This is a okay. After these words, we are getting a line break. We are getting a line break, and we are not getting any extra line, right? That we can observe here. We are not getting any extra line immediately after the current line is terminating. In the next line itself, immediately after the previous line, in the next line itself, it is printing the content, the remaining content of the paragraph, the remaining content of this paragraph element. So basically we are using it for to get the line break in a web page. And this is what we call empty html element. Empty html elements, in the sense it doesn't have any content. So as we have seen that empty elements can be closed in the opening tag, right? That we have done here. Empty elements can be closed in the opening tag. Wherever we are starting that element, in that tag itself we are closing that element, or we are closing that tag there itself. Another point here, it is HTML5 does not require empty elements to be closed. HTML5 does not require HTML5 does not require empty elements to be closed. But if you want stricter validation, right? If in case if you want the strict validation, in case of validation, or if you need to make your document readable by XML parsers, or if you need to make your document readable by XML parsers, then that is the must and should. Then there you must close all the HTML elements properly. There you need to follow the standards, okay, while you are expecting the stricter validation. And if you are if your document should be readable by XML parsers, so then you should be following the standard HTML rules. That is, you must close all HTML elements properly. But in general, HTML5 does not require empty elements to be closed. So those are the specific cases. The first case is if you want a stricter validation, and the second case is if you want this a document to be read by the XML parsers. So there you must close all the elements, or you must close all the tags. So this is the example of HTML empty element. Thank you.